How to recover a Gmail account without a verification code. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to recover a Gmail account without a verification code. Start by accessing the Google account recovery page. Answer the questions asked to confirm your identity as best as you can. If you're struggling, use the account recovery tips provided. Reset your password when prompted and choose a strong one you haven't used before. If you've forgotten the email address you used to sign in, you will need to provide either a recovery email or phone number linked to the account, along with the full name associated with it. Follow the instructions to verify your account, and you will see a list of matching usernames. If someone else is using your account, you can follow Google's steps to recover a hacked or hijacked account. For any other login issues, visit Google's support for signing in. If your Google account was recently deleted, you can try recovering it through the provided steps for deleted accounts. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.